Today's thought: life is a miracle, and every breath we take is a gift from God. So we should thank God every second for a precious gift from God. Today we are going to see the supplementary story Zigzag, written by Asha Nehemiah. We have already seen about the author. Now let's move on to the story. The family that shelters a new pet is totally taken up by the commotions it creates at home. Commotions means confusion. Read on the story to find out there is a turn of events when they get to know the reality. Now let's watch what are the problems and confusions faced by the doctor family because of the word zigzag. Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan's clinic usually sounded more like an ancient Chinese torture chamber than a child specialist clinic. This was because the tiny children who were his patients left out a variety of blood curdling yells and ear splitting sobs. Dr. Krishnan, he is a child specialist doctor. He has a clinic, and his clinic look like a Chinese torture chamber. The clinic is full of sound because of his patients. His patients are small children because Dr. Krishnan is a child specialist doctor. His patients are shouting because of blood curdling yells. Blood curdling yells means crying loudly with pain, and ear splitting sobs. Ear splitting sobs also the same meaning, extreme sound. It's all because my patients were making so much noise and crying so loudly. He apologized to his wife one evening that Somu couldn't hear me properly. He rang me in the clinic to ask whether we could keep Zigzag with us when he leaves for Alaska. And now Somu thinks I said yes, even though I clearly said no. I know you are busy getting your painting ready for your exhibition next. Now, Dr. Krishnan and his wife speaking with each other. Dr. Krishnan apologized to his wife and he explained about his clinic. Dr. Somu, he is a friend of Krishnan. Both are working in same clinic. Somu asked help to Krishnan. Zigzag is a pet bird of Dr. Somu. Now Dr. Somu wants to go Alaska. There is no one in Somu's house to take care the bird Zigzag. So he asked help to Krishnan to keep Zigzag with them. Dr. Somu thought that Krishnan will say okay, but Dr. Krishnan said no. Then Dr. Krishnan says his wife, you are busy getting your painting ready for your exhibition next week. Zigzag interrupted their 9-year-old daughter Maya. Maya is the daughter of Dr. Krishnan. She interrupted and asked, Zigzag? Interrupted means to say or do something that makes somebody stop or what she is saying or doing. Isn't that Uncle Somu's prized giant green and gold fighting beetle, the one that spits deadly poison straight into its opponent's eye? Now Maya asked to her father, Dr. Krishnan, is that Somu uncle's green and gold fighting beetle? This is the image of beetle. Wonder. And she asked, is that a beetle which can spit poison to opponent eyes? No, corrected her older brother Arvind. Eyes shining in pure delight. The beetle is called Spitfire. Zigzag must be Uncle Somu's pet snake, the African Sidewinder. You know, the one that slithers Zigzag all over his house. Now Arvind corrected Maya. Arvind is a older brother of Maya, and he says The beetle name is Spitfire, and I think that's a pet snake of Somu uncle, and that's a African side winter, said by Arvind. You were both quite mistaken. Their father hastened to explain. Hastened means to be quick to say. Seeing his wife's horrified expression. Horrified means shock or frightened expression. Zigzag is the most harmless, unusual, and lovable bird. Apparently, it was bred by a genius African witch doctor who gifted it to Somu when he, being a child specialist like me, cured the witch doctor's son while he was touring the deepest jungles of Equatorial Africa last month. Equatorial means near the imagined line around the center of the earth. Somu says the bird is an absolute treasure and a real helper. It's his favorite pet, you know. Treasure means a valuable thing is called treasure, meaning in Tamil Pokisham. Now Dr. Krishnan says, you both were understood wrongly. Then he, seeing his wife's horrified expression, and he says Zigzag is a most harmless, lovable bird, and the bird gifted by an American witch doctor to Somu. Somu treated the witch doctor's son. So the doctor gifted the bird Zigzag to Somu. And this happened last month when Somu went to Africa for a tour last month. And Somu will say the bird Zigzag is a treasure and it's a favorite pet for Somu, you know, said by Dr. Krishnan. Somu might be your best friend, but most of these so-called favorite possessions that he has given us were absolute nuisance. Nuisance means a person or thing that annoys you. Annoys means irritating. Countered Mrs. Krishnan angrily. A talent artist, she applied a dab of yellow orange paint onto a painting titled Sunset at Marina. Paused for a moment to survive the effect and then continued. Remember the rare insect eating plant he brought black from the wettest corner of the Amazonian rainforest. He insisted that we kept it because it would eat the mosquitoes in the house, and now that wrecked plant requires a room heater to keep it alive in Chennai. Now Mrs. Krishnan replies to Dr. Krishnan. Somu might be your best friend, but all the things are irritating which he has given us. Mrs. Krishnan replies angrily. Mrs. Krishnan is a talented artist and now she is painting. The title of the painting is Sunset at Marina. At the same time, she replies to Mr. Krishnan. After that, he says, do you remember that insect eating plant given by Somu? And Somu brought that insect eating plant from the western corner of the Amazonian rainforest. This is the image of insect eating plant. Somu gave the plant to protect Krishnan's family from mosquitoes because that's a insect eating plant, isn't it? But the insect eating plant need a room heater to keep it alive in Chennai climate. Ma, protested Arvind. Who is Arvind? Son of Dr. Krishnan. That's not really true. Uncle Somu's given us some really fabulous gifts. Now Arvind says to his mother, Ma, that's not really true. Somu uncle given us some really excellent gifts too. Right, remember the tiny penknife he gave me last year, the one with the genuine shark's tooth blade that's been really useful. Maya joined the protest. Now Maya also joined the protest and she says, yes, Somu uncle gave me a tiny pen knife with genuine shark tooth blade. Genuine means true or real. And she said, Somu uncle gave me a tiny penknife with true shark's tooth blade, and that's really useful for me, said by Maya. No one but you, Maya, Mrs. Krishnan told her daughter sternly. Sternly means in a severe manner. Would describe a pen knife that has cut open the packets of 3 skirts and 2 pairs of jeans as really useful. Now Mrs. Krishnan replies that pen knife that has cut open the packets of 3 skirts and 2 pairs of jeans, and no one will say that's a best pen knife than you, says Mrs. Krishnan. And what about the Aboriginal boomerang Uncle Somu brought us all the way from Australia? Demanded Arvind. You can't deny that it was a great hit with everyone. Aboriginal means native or local, is called Aboriginal. This is the image of boomerang. Now Arvind says the local boomerang which brought by Somu uncle from Australia, you can't say, Mom, that it was a great thing. Great hit indeed. Mrs. Krishnan didn't bother to hide her sarcasm and continued, considering that the boomerangs sliced through all the TV aerials in the neighborhood, caused permanent damage to several cars in the parking lot, and knocked out a watchman cold with the force you threw it. Sarcasm means use of irony to mock or convey contempt. Now Mrs. Krishnan replies with a sarcasm without showing her face and continued, yes, I remember our neighborhood TV wire cut by the boomerang and several cars damaged by the boomerang, and it cut a watchman too because of you. You threw that boomerang with full force. That's why these all happened, said by Mrs. Krishnan. But zigzag is different. Somu says we are sure to love zigzag. You, Dr. Krishnan, because the bird can talk and sing in about 21 different languages, mostly African languages, of course. When it sings, it moves the listeners to tears. Zud means to comfort somebody. Now Dr. Krishnan says we all definitely love zigzag because the bird zigzag can talk and sing in different 21 languages, especially African languages. If the bird starts to sing, the listeners will forget their tears. It's Somu's thoughtless ways that reduce me to tears, Mrs. Krishnan said irritably. What a time to dump this multilingual talking singing bird on us. Here I'm tied up in knots trying to get my paintings together for the exhibition next week. Now Mrs. Krishnan says Somu's thoughtless ways are that irritating me. And he said, now why Somu should give a multilingual talking singing bird to us? Multilingual means many languages, talking singing bird. And he said, I'm tired and I have many works many painting works because I have exhibition next week, said by Mrs. Krishnan. May I take Zigzag to school, Papa? Arvind, as always, was planning ahead. I want to display him in the science exhibition. Now Arvind asked to his father, may I take this bat to school because I have a science exhibition. So I want to display this bat in my science exhibition. When is Zigzag coming, Papa? Maya was jumping up and down, all excited. Now Maya is excited and she asked to her father, when the bad Zigzag is coming, Papa? Uncle Somu said he could send Zigzag with his old cook Visu sometime today. I will have to leave for my clinic now. There he added as the doorbell rang, that's probably them. And indeed it was. Now Dr. Krishnan replies, maybe the bad will come today. Somu will send the bad with his old cook Visu. Now I want to go my clinic. And that time his doorbell rang. So Dr. Krishnan says that was them. Come in, Zigzag, come in, dear, coaxed Vishu, and it tottered the strangest, weirdest looking bat the Krishnan family had ever seen. Now the bird Zigzag came with Visu. So the Krishnan family members welcoming Zigzag, come in, Zigzag, come in, dear, like that. And the bat Zigzag looking very strange the Krishnan family had ever seen. About a foot and a half tall, its bald head was frightened with a crown of shocking pink feathers, while the rest of its plumage was in various shades of the muddiest sluggish brown. Its curved peak was sunflower yellow and its eye were the color of cola held to sunlight. Meaning of fringed, bordered plumage, a bird's feather collectively. Sludgiest means wet mud. Mud means wet earth, meaning in Tamil, Kaliman, mud. The bat Zigzag, foot and a half tall, and its head looked like a bald with crown, and its feathers looks colorful. Its peak color is sunflower yellow, and its eye were the color of cola held to sunlight.